Welcome to Right Choice. Today we'll be examining the best blender food processor combos. The Ninja 1004 is a versatile blender and food processor combo perfect for a wide range of kitchen tasks. Its 450-watt interchangeable power pod easily switches between a 48-ounce pitcher for blending, a 40-ounce processor bowl for meal prep, and a 16-ounce chopper bowl for smaller tasks. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, crushing ice, or chopping veggies, this compact appliance has the tools to get it done efficiently. The stacked blade system ensures thorough mixing and chopping, while the BPA-free dishwasher-safe jars make cleanup easy. However, this model has a few drawbacks. The 450-watt motor might struggle with tougher tasks like blending thick mixtures or heavy-duty processing. Additionally, some users report that the lids can feel a bit flimsy, and the manual pulse operation may be less convenient compared to models with multiple speed options. In conclusion, this model is a solid choice for everyday blending and food processing. It's great for smoothies, meal prep, and even chopping herbs or nuts. For users who need a reliable, space-saving tool, this device delivers strong value. Check the description below for the Amazon link to this product. The Hamilton Beach 58242 is a versatile kitchen tool designed to handle both blending and food processing. Its 950-watt motor provides solid power, whether you're blending smoothies or chopping ingredients. It comes with a 52-ounce glass jar for large batch blending, a 3-cup chopper for smaller tasks, and a 20-ounce travel jar with a lid, perfect for on-the-go drinks. The 6 pre-programmed settings, including specific modes for smoothies and ice crushing, make it a convenient choice for everyday use. The stainless steel blades ensure efficient blending, and the drip-free spout keeps things mess-free. However, there are a few downsides. Some users find the glass jar heavy and harder to manage, and others have noted that it struggles with very thick blends or tougher ingredients. Additionally, the noise level can be high during operation, which is something to keep in mind if you're blending early in the morning. Overall, this model is an excellent option for those who need both a blender and food chopper in one device. Its solid power and variety of functions make it a versatile choice for most kitchen tasks. Check the description below for an Amazon link to the product. The Cuisinart Smart Power Duet is a versatile kitchen appliance that functions as both a blender and a food processor. With its 500-watt motor, it's capable of handling a variety of tasks, from blending smoothies to processing vegetables. The 48-ounce glass blender jar is perfect for making larger batches, while the 3-cup food processor bowl is ideal for smaller prep tasks like chopping or shredding. The 7-speed touchpad controls give you flexibility to pulse, chop, or crush ice with ease. Plus, the unit's brushed chrome finish adds a sleek touch to your kitchen. One of its drawbacks is the food processor's limited 3-cup capacity, which may be too small for larger families or more extensive meal prep. Additionally, the motor, while effective for most household tasks, might not be powerful enough for very heavy-duty blending or processing. Overall, this model offers excellent value for those seeking a compact, multifunctional appliance. It's a great option for both everyday blending and light food processing. A link to the product on Amazon is available in the description below. The Cuisinart Velocity Ultra Trio is a versatile 3-in-1 appliance, combining a powerful blender, food processor, and travel cup system. With a robust 1-horsepower motor, it can handle everything from making smoothies to crushing ice and chopping vegetables. The 56-ounce BPA-free blender jar is perfect for large batches, while the 3-cup food processor attachment offers slicing, shredding, and chopping capabilities. The 2 16-ounce travel cups are ideal for taking smoothies on the go, making it highly convenient for busy mornings. Despite its versatility, the food processor's 3-cup size might be too small for larger families or extensive meal prep. Some users have also noted that the unit can be a bit noisy when processing tougher ingredients. Overall, this model is a solid option for those seeking a multi-purpose appliance with plenty of power and functionality. It's great for both everyday blending tasks and more advanced food prep. You can find more details and purchasing options in the description below. The Ninja SS401 is a highly versatile blender and food processor designed to handle tough tasks with its powerful 1200-watt motor. It features 7 Auto IQ programs that can make it easy to prepare smoothies, dough, and more with a push of a button. Additionally, it includes accessories like an XL smoothie bowl maker and a nutrient extraction cup, allowing for easy blending of thick ingredients without excess liquid. Its variable speed control gives you the flexibility to fine-tune textures, whether you're making smoothies or processing food. However, this device is not designed for hot ingredients, so it can't make soups or other hot blends. Also, while it offers powerful features, its large size might take up significant counter space, which may not be ideal for smaller kitchens. Overall, this model is a great addition to any kitchen for those who need a multifunctional blender that handles both blending and food processing tasks efficiently. You can find more details and purchase the product through the link in the description. The NutriBullet Triple Prep System is a versatile kitchen tool that combines a full-size blender, a personal blender, and a food processor in one unit. With its 1500-watt motor, it effortlessly handles tasks like blending smoothies, chopping vegetables, and kneading dough. The vessel recognition feature automatically lights up the correct settings based on the attachment you're using, making it user-friendly and eliminating guesswork. However, the system can be noisy due to its powerful motor, and the food processor's feeding chute is somewhat narrow, which may require extra prep to slice larger ingredients. Additionally, while it excels at larger batches, smaller portions may not always achieve the same smooth consistency, especially with thicker dips like hummus. In conclusion, this model is an excellent option for those who want a multifunctional appliance for blending, processing, and food prep. It's especially ideal for smoothies, meal prep, and family cooking. You can find more details and buy the product through the link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content, and feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring!